exploring the latest innovations in EXIN Cloud Technology. Cloud technology has revolutionized the way businesses operate, offering unprecedented flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. As the demand for cloud solutions continues to grow, tech companies are constantly innovating to stay ahead of the curve. EXIN Cloud Services. EXIN is a global leader in providing cloud certification and training services. Their comprehensive courses cover all aspects of cloud technology, from basic concepts to advanced solutions. With EXIN Cloud certifications, professionals can demonstrate their expertise in cloud computing and enhance their career opportunities. EXIN Cloud Specialists. By becoming an EXIN Cloud Specialist, professionals can showcase their skills and experience in specific areas of cloud technology, making them valuable assets to any organization. Cloud technology trends. The field of cloud technology is constantly evolving, with new trends and innovations shaping the future of the industry. Some of the latest trends in cloud technology include multi-cloud environments, serverless computing, and edge computing. Innovative cloud solutions. EXIN is at the forefront of developing innovative cloud solutions that help businesses optimize their operations and achieve their goals. From cloud migration services to cloud security solutions, EXIN offers a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of their clients. Emerging cloud innovations. From AI-driven cloud services to blockchain-based cloud platforms, the possibilities are endless. By exploring emerging cloud innovations, professionals can discover new ways to leverage technology and drive business growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, EXIN Cloud Technology is leading the way in providing cutting-edge cloud solutions and training services.